If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing GTA 5, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming performance. Follow this guide to help reduce those interruptions. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download and install the latest drivers, as they often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in GTA 5. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rates and reduce lag. Step 3. Optimize your PC performance. Close unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and end tasks that are not needed while playing the game. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and consider resetting your router. Additionally, check for any bandwidth-heavy applications running in the background. Step 5. Modify game configuration files. Locate the configuration files for GTA 5 and adjust settings manually. You can find these files in the game installation directory. Look for options related to frame rates and performance, and tweak them to suit your system's capabilities. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with reduced lag spikes in GTA 5. Enjoy your game.